Hey everyone, this will be a quick unboxing here of the Altec Lansing Super Life Jacket Jolt. So Bluetooth speaker, of course. This thing is like waterproof, it'll float. See, it's waterproof, snowproof, dirtproof. It's pretty much life proof. You can pair these with other ones, up to 30 hours of playback time. You can charge your phones multiple ways, by either cable or by wireless charging it. Pretty cool. Not a whole lot of difference on the back here. You see, I got it from Ross for only 45 bucks. They are, I believe, over $100 on Amazon at the moment. Inside the outside box, you get a thank you box. And then we have good size speaker right here. And there it is out of the packaging. And you also have a pretty heavy duty, pretty big charger right there. So you can see the different colors reflecting. Very, very nice looking. It does have a handle right here as well. So wireless chargers right there. Looks like mic maybe. Volume rocker. Power button, Bluetooth, and for this, for the different lights. Whoa. There is the back. Nothing too fancy back there. The bottom of this does have these mounting screws, or whatever you call these. You can mount the speaker if you want to. There's two of them. Then there is one side with the handle. There is the other side. It says Altec Lansing. And you can see there this must be covered or be closed so you don't destroy it if you do submerge this in water. It's aux in, DC in to charge it, and USB out, 5 volts to charge up your phone or whatever other device you may have. Pretty cool. I plugged it in. I realized these are just stickers, so sorry about that. I feel a bit dumb right now. But anyway, so here are the lights. So it does have the light button up top here. And it goes through different lights. And I'm sure when it plays music, they probably bounce around and stuff. So, so the middle one there. The ones around there. Nothing in the back. So let me know if you guys want me to do a review of this once I have had it for a little bit and have been using it. I am excited to try this thing out. For only 45 bucks, this thing should be pretty sick. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you all have a good one. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.